So I made the school year in pixels document again this year, but I made it digital this year. So I wanted to show you guys how to use it. Um, so when students get this, I've made this a background so they can't click on any of this stuff. They will have to use it in Google Slides format like this, rather than in presentation mode. So they can't click on any of this stuff. However, they can click on these boxes. So that's something you'll need to train them, that don't move the box, and these boxes as well. The reason I had to leave those on there on top where everything could be moved is because they need to be able to click on them and fill in the colors. So I would have them right away pick out which colors they would be using, like if they're Amazing Fantastic Day, and you'll just have to show them how to fill in the colors. So they click in it, go up to the bucket fill, and then choose the color that they want it to represent. So once these colors are filled in, then they could say, oh, on the first day of school, I had a good, happy day. So I'm going to choose the color yellow and fill it in. So it should be pretty simple. That's all they need to do every day is click on the box, fill in the color, however their day was. The first semester is on the first page, and the second semester is on the second page. So one more thing is I wanted to show you how to share it with students so that they are forced to make a copy of it so they can each edit their own. I'm just going to unfill these and then share this with you guys. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that whoever has the link can view it. So I clicked on that share button at the top, click here to change who has access to this. So I'm going to say anyone with the link can view it. You don't have to have editing on here in order for them to edit it once they get it. Sorry. Okay, share. I've changed all of this to anyone on the internet with this link can view. And then I want to make sure and copy this link. All right, so once you have that link copied, you can paste that link. And I did that by doing Control V, or you can right click and paste. How you make it so that they have to make a copy of it is you delete everything from edit on. So everything I've highlighted here, you're going to delete that and write copy. So this right here is what you're going to want to send to students, and that's what they can open, and it will force them to make a copy of their own. So let me show you what that looks like when they get it. So when you open that link, it just looks like this. And it says, would you like to make a copy of the school year in pixels? And then they click make a copy, and that will make a copy for them so they can edit their own copy, and then they won't be editing the one that you send them. Another option, if you don't want to do this digitally, is you can just print it. Just print it and give it to them, and they can still color it in like we did last year. So hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about it.